For years, since we've been around since 1955, we are the definition of a niche. You have the whole grocery category, and then you have snack foods within that or food within the grocery category, and then you have snack foods within that category, and then within snack foods, you have fried snack foods, and within fried snack foods, you have pork rinds. So we are the very definition of a niche. Well, you're starting to see some other types of chips, puff fried chips, marketed as vegan pork rinds. Well, that's an oxymoron. Uh, I guess should make. Uh, it doesn't make sense. A pork rind's a pork rind. So we'll never have a vegan pork rind because that doesn't make any sense. But we do think that there's some opportunities out there for other bases, and we're constantly looking for snacks that taste great, snacks that meet, the current consumers' needs, desires, vision of what they want to eat and enjoy. And I think there's some great things out there happening in some of these. But to call them a vegan pork rind is kind of silly. I guess we would have a porkless pork rind. No, that doesn't make any sense either.